Hi. Today we're going to tell you about why you encounter product-level Google Merchant Center suspension. Let's get started. If you're a Merchant Center user and have a suspended product, this means that your feed's product data isn't in line with Google's specifications. This issue can affect your entire account. It's important to note that products that are currently in your feed may be disapproved in different countries due to their policies. To prevent this, you can use the Shopping Ads attribute to exclude the products from the feeds that are allocated to specific countries. Product data specifications vary depending on the niche that the product fits into. Also, the feeds for these products need to match the data from the store site. To fix suspended Google Shopping products, you will need to: on the Merchant Center Diagnostics page, go to the Item Issues tab and review the list of issues that have been identified. You can then click the Learn More links to find the steps that will help you resolve these issues. Implement long-term strategies to prevent future suspensions. Once you have resolved these issues, you can then submit the product data for review. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.